Welcome to Ideal King. If you want to motivate yourself, you have entered the right place. Today, we will tell you a very beautiful motivational story that will take you to the peak of success. Will you help you move forward? So keep watching to the end with the mind. Karoli Takas lost his main shooting hand in a grenade explosion. 1 year later, after disappearing for months, he came back as a champion shooter with his left hand. But it took him another 9 years to win the gold medal. Here is his inspirational journey to the freedom. Carol Takas had already reached the status of the best pistol shooter in the world around the year 1936. Yet, he won the Olympic gold medal only 12 years later in 1948. What took the shooter so long to bag the coveted gold medal? The story of Takas and his journey to the freedom is nothing short of inspiring. So that help you and so keep watching to the end. First, stop blaming circumstance. Second, try with whatever you have. Third, your body does what your mind believes. Fourth, winners refuse to the give up. And five, refusing to say I can't. So keep watching to the mind. Karnataka was part of the Hungarian army. By the year 1936, he was a renowned pistol shooter and considered the best already. But since he was only a sergeant and not a commissioner officer, Hungarian denied him permission to participate in the Olympics. However, the management lifted the rule soon after the event, allowing Turkish to take part in the next Olympics. People vouched for Takas as the favorite to win the gold medal in the 1940 Tokyo Olympics. High on the hopes and dreams, the marksman practiced relentlessly. In 1938, during his army training, a failed grenade exploded, blowing away his hopes and dreams. The detonation did not kill him but injured his right hand to the extent that the could not use it ever again. Taka spent a month in the hospital, devastated not just for the loss of his right hand, but also the opportunity to win gold at the highest level of the sport. 1 month after he left the hospital, he spent a lot of time alone and mentioned a low-key profile in the spring of 1939. The Hungarian National Pistol Championship took place when the other shooters saw that Karolitakas had arrived. They consoled him for his loss and mentioned why they were happy to see him show up to view the event. The everyone surprised. Takas said he was there not a spectator but participant. When the event began, everyone expected Takas to make a able attempt to pull the trigger with right hand so that he could quench his emotional thirst for shooting again. But when it was Taka's turn, the man picked up the pistol with his left hand. He fired shoot after shoot with his non-dominant hand as the audience watched with their jaw dropped open. And what was shocking was every shot hit the blue eye. Takas came out as the winner of the event. After his time at the hospital, Takas had practiced in private. He thought, why should I worry about the right hand I do not have? Let me see what I can do with the left hand I have. That was it. The learning took some practice but a few months of decided but dedicated. After effort later, he was back in the game. But his dream of winning the Olympic gold was again shattered. His time because the Olympic committees cancelled the Olympics of 1940 due to the World War. Takas, though disappointed, kept hanging on. He waited for 4 long years, hoping to fulfill his incomplete dream in 1944. Unfortunately, the Olympics of 1944 had to be cancelled due to the continued war. But Takas was not a man who would hang up his shoes. By 1948, Takas was 38 years old. In the Summer Olympics held in the same year in London, he was no longer considered the favorite to win the event. Before the event, the reigning world champion asked Takas what was there for. Takas said the was were to learn. To everyone's surprise, Takas went on not only to bag the gold medal but also set the world record in the rapid fire pistol event. His moment of glory had arrived. His years of wait was finally over when he finally stepped on the podium. He proudly bent down to allow a gold medal to be put around his neck. The previous champions congratulated Takas by jokingly saying that he learned enough. Takas went on the win the gold medal in the same event in 1952 Olympics too. His never-ending effort for the piece of metal earned him a place in the Olympics heroes list of the International Olympic Committee. Gary Takas ended his career as the legend who never gave up. Gary Takas, the world's first shooter to win 2 Olympic gold medals in the 25-meter rapid fire pistol event, both with his left hand after his right hand was seriously injured. Moral of the freedom: the level of the success you achieve in life is directly proportional to the size of your dreams. If you dreams big, you will win big. If you dream mediocre, you will not even achieve that. At last, one request. A request to us at the end of it all. If you like the video so much, share it with your loved ones. Who can say that one of your shares can change their lives? And encourage us with a like. Then let us know in the comments box which topics you want to the video. Because our only purpose is to help you. And to the first to get our video, subscribe to the channel and stay connected with us by turning on the bell icon.